So yeah, these are the important parts of your opt-in page, and that can be also done in a pop-up, and we will look into that when we get into the creation of the actual funnel. And we're finishing with a thank you page. After somebody submits their information, we just send them to a thank you page with a text message, of course, about thanking them for reaching out, and a possible call to action if you want them to do a certain action. In this case, we have call now, if you want the person to actually call you right away, because this is a nice touch to have them to do some extra step on the thank you, because they're already inside the funnel. They completed the whole process of different steps, which is click on a button, submit their information, and go to the thank you page. You can ask them to do something else, depending on what kind of a funnel it is. If it is a lead magnet, obviously they can download something, they can watch a video or series of videos, or maybe take an action, chat with you, send you an email, call you right away, or schedule a meeting, maybe whatever you wish. You can add it as an extra here if you wish, of course. If not, you can just leave it like this. You already collected the information from the user, and then you can start following up with your sales pitch and the process of getting them to actual customer. So this is it. This is how simple it is, and this is basically the anatomy of a landing, a lead generation type of funnel, with a simple landing page, opt-in page, and a thank you page, or download if it's a lead generation, if it's a lead magnet. And in the next video, we'll be looking exactly into the different types of funnels for lead generation, which is like the home type of a funnel for lead generation, basically the one that we are just dissecting in a way. Then we'll be looking into the lead magnet, which is giving the incentive of, if they submit their information, to get access to something as a video, as a downloadable product. Then we will go into the coupon code type of lead generation funnels again, where you get a lead generation, maybe connecting it with a sales process as well. So we'll be looking into that type of amazing funnels that you can create for your next campaigns or for your customers. Really simple and easy. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I'll be seeing you in the next video about creating our first lead generation funnel with a system. So stay tuned.